Right, so you're going to be trying to make something fun that happens when you go into someone's world and you type something in chat and you run some code and fun stuff happens. So I thought I'll do something like that myself. So I've had a little go and I'll show you what I've done. So if I type into chat, go, that happened. This thing here. Let's have a look what I've got. I made an aquarium. And as you can see, it's an aquarium full of squid. And one cow seems to have got trapped in there, poor thing. So 4 walls, a floor, full of water, full of squid. Here's the code that did it. I did it in one command down here, chat go. And you can see that on go actually it calls other functions. Well, the first thing it does is it brings the builder to me, and then it calls a function called walls, a function called floor, a function called water, and a function called make squid. And you can see them here: walls, floor, water, make squid. So it actually just jumps to those functions, does it, comes back, and then does the next thing, and so on. Right. So walls is using the builder. I've done a for loop to do 4 walls where it marks its position, shifts by 20, raises a diamond block wall, turns left, and then goes back and does it again 4 times, 4 walls. I've got a floor which again marked the position. It's got back to the start by this point, and it moves 20 in the x direction, 20 in the z direction, 0 y, so 0 up, and then that just creates a filling. That space fills in a flat plate of diamond block, and then I've shifted it around the builder so that it's just inside the aquarium, and then marked and then shifted so it's still inside the aquarium but the opposite corner and filled with water. And then the last thing was make squid, and we've seen what that kind of works. So I'm not saying that's what I want you to do. In fact, I'd like you to do something different from that, but I'm giving you a bit of a feel of the kind of coding that I'm looking for, with a bit of imagination as well. And you can see there's actually quite a lot of trial and error in this. You can see I've made a whole bunch of aquariums over there, and you can see I missed a lot with the water. So these were ones where the water didn't end up inside the aquarium. These ones got black water. That one, just the water was in totally the wrong place. I've also made, you might have noticed, there's these big green walls everywhere. I use the builder to make walls. And there's a big block of diamond ore over there, and I've made a complete mess of this world. That's fine. That's what we can do in this, and then later on we can do something in someone else's world where we'll just delete this world and just keep the code and use it somewhere else. A couple of things that I have learnt is there is a limit on this fill. Builder.fill will not do it like 100 by 100 by 100. If you find that you're trying to use a fill and it's just not happening, try making the fill size a lot smaller. I found that about 30 by 30 by 30 is the maximum, but that's pretty huge. I mean, that's this diamond block over here. I think it's 30 by 30 by 30. So that's the thing that I've learned. Trial and error, lots and lots of trial and error is what we would expect you to be doing. Okay, what a mess. Enjoy making your own mess.